Sir, is there anything you can suggest? I am 18 years old. Gusto ko magsugod og real estate business. First and foremost, wow, 18 years old, very young, no? 18 years old. So ang akong masuggest, no, especially for 18 years old or 20 years old, normally napagod mo sa college at this point in time, no, is first thing is you need to invest in your mind. When I was at your age, 18 years old ko, 19, invest ko sa ako ang mind. So I read books. Instead, I go out, party, drinking session with friends. Ako, sige kog basa og libro. And I also read business books, Jude. So normally, makahuman ko og mga 5 ka libro in just a matter of 1 month. So sige jud kog invest. Then once nga sige invest sa imong mind, ma-autopilot na nimo ang imong mga nakatunan. Later on, when you are ready, in terms sa imong finances, in terms sa imong skills, kana ready na gyud ka musud og real estate investment. Pero normally 18 years old, you need to invest in your mind first. Unaha gyud nimo. Everything is all about mindset. Dili na siya sa kwarta. Naabi tay uban diha no nga gikan og mga dato, nindot nga pamilya, born with a silver platter, pero when they try to invest into business, malugi ra gihapon because ang kuwang nila ang pinakaimportante is this one, ang mindset. So invest on your mind by reading books. Read books about business.